everyone, welcome back to our YouTube classes. My name is Anju Gaur. Now I'm going to explain you exercise 11.2 in trigonometry. So what is exercise 11.2 is here. So just we have to evaluate the following given problems. See now. So our first sum is evaluate the following sin 45 plus cos 45. So I'm writing given what we have to evaluate sin 45 plus cos 45. So now sine 45 value. What is the sine 45 value? Sine 45 degrees equals to 1 by root 2. And what is cos 45? Cos 45 value also 1 by root 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now just we have to do the addition of the both. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So next. So here denominator is same. So what we do here? 1 plus 1 by root 2. So next, so 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2 by root 2. So if you multiply with root 2 both sides, so if you multiply the root 2 with numerator and denominator, you will get, what you get? You get here 2 root 2 by 2. Yes or no? So 2 gonna cancel. Your answer is root 2. So your final answer for this question is root 2. So answer is root 2. Okay. So next question. Your second question is given. What is your second question given here? So your second solution here. So second solution. Cos 45 degrees by sec 30 plus cosec 60 degrees. So first we have know that cos 45 here itself there cos 45. Yes, cos 45 value what? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Then just sec 30 and cosec 60 both are same. Remember this point. Sec 30 degrees plus cosec 60 degrees both are same. That is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. So both are same. So both are same. Sec 30 equal to cosec 60 degrees. Next. So just to add, I am going to substitute the above values. 1 by root 2 by 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3. Then 1 by root 2 by, what is this? The denominators are same. So 2 plus 2 by root 3, that is equals to 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 by root 3. So we can solve this. So you get, so yeah, we get that 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 4. So final answer is root 3 by 4 root 2. So this is your final answer. Okay. What is the final answer here? 3 by, sorry, 3 by 4 root 2. 3 by 4 root 2. Okay. So now your final answer is 3 by, so I will take 3 by 4 root 3, 4 root 2, sorry. Okay, 4 root 2. So we are moving to the next problem. So what is the next problem given here? Third problem. What is the third problem given? See here. What is the third problem given? So see what is given here. Given that sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 minus sec 30. So just we'll going to do this problem. So what is given? So what is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. So tan 45 value, tan 45 degrees equals to 1. Yes. Next cosec 60. Cosec 60 degrees equals to 2 by root 3. So cot 45 value is 1. Next cos 60 value is cos 60 sin 30 both are same, and sec 30 cosec 60 and sec 30 both are same. Okay, clear. Now just substitute the values, so don't confuse here, no need to confuse here. Just if you know the values of trigonometric ratios, sin 30 is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is 1, cos 60 is 1 by 2, and sec 30 cosec sec 30 cosec 60 both are same, that is 2 by root 3. Just I am substituting the values. So now see here. Now first what is asking us is asking us to sin 30, right? Sin 30, what is sin 30 value? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Yes, tan 45 1 minus cosec 60 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 by cot 45 1 plus cos 60 1 by 2 plus say minus sec 30 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. So we are going to solve this problem, then we get the answer. Just simplify this. Okay, yeah, we're going to simplify this one. So if you cross multiply this, then 1 plus 2 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 by here 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Then after the next step I'm going to write here. The next step is this one, 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 by 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Anything wrong here? See once, check it is. We are getting value is 0. Yes, everything is fine, right? Yeah, cos 61 by 2. Okay, cot 45 1. Yeah, okay, both are everything is fine. Symbols are fine, right? Fine. So we get here. So just cross multiply this one, then 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 by cross multiply here, 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3, then 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 by, so you already know, right, how to reverse this. Why we are reversing? Because we are doing multiplication here. Then 3 root 3 minus 4. Am I clear? Yeah. Then here what is going to cancel here? Yes or no? Yes. And here 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. So what is left here? Nothing is left. That is, your answer is 1 by 1 into 1 by 1, that is equals to 1. Are you clear? So I am just doing the normal simplification by substituting the values. Yes or no? Yes. Just the values are these. I am substituting this in this equation. Then we are, by solving, we will get the final answer is 1. Am I clear? Yeah. If you any confusion here, right? No confusion, right? So this is a final answer for this. Okay. Next we are moving to the fourth problem. Yeah. What is fourth problem here? Solution. Fourth solution we are going to write here. Tan 45. 2 tan 45. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60. So just to see this equation, then by seeing this we get the, see now this is fourth problem. What is the fourth problem here? 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Just we write the values values of tan 45, that is 1, and cos 30 root 3 by 2, and sin 60 also root 3 by 2. Yeah, it is right. Both are same, cos 30 and sin 60. Just substitute in the given equation. What is the given equation there? 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees plus sorry, minus sin square 60 minus sin square 60. Now substitute this values here. 2 tan 45 value 1 plus cos 30 value root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square, here also whole square, minus sin 60 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square. Next, so just solve the equation. 2 1 square 1, root 3 square by 2 square minus root 3 square by 2 square, that is equals to 2 into 1 2 plus root 3 whole square equal to 3, right? Yeah, 3 by 2 square is 4 minus root 3 whole square is equal to 3, 2 square is 4. Yes. Yeah, okay. So I will remove this all things. Okay. Now what is here? Cross multiply this. 2 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Then 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So then what we will get here? So we get that 11 minus 3 by 4. 11 minus 3 is nothing but 8. 8 by 4. So you can simplify 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. That is nothing but answer is 2. So what is the final answer for this? Final answer for this is 2. Okay, just see once. So I make it enlarge, right? Okay. So we solve this all the thing, right? So just values tan 45, cos 30, sin 60 and substitute them, then you will get the final answer as 2. Okay, clear? Now we are moving to the next problem. That is our last problem, fifth problem. Okay, yeah, the fifth problem, see this one. It is very simple, just substitute the values. So what is x60? That is 2. What is tan 60? Root 3. If you don't know, you can see here already I written the formula values. So now by sin 30 value 1 by root 1 by 2 whole square. Next cos square 30, in the sense cos 30 means root 3 by 2 whole square. See now here sin 60, sorry, sec 60, sec 60 value, that is 2. Tan 60, tan 60 value. Okay, so all values are substituted and I am just simplifying this equation. Okay, right. 2 square is 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3 by 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 minus root 3 by 2 whole square, in the sense 3 by 4. Yes or no? Yeah. So now just simplify this. So 4 minus 3 is 1 by, this is what? This is here 1 minus 3 by 4. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because here denominator is same, right? So then 1 by, that is minus 2 by 4. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So what is our answer? 1 by 1, sorry, 1 by 1. For suppose I am writing first one. Okay, first upper one, that is 1 by 1 into minus 2 by 1. So what we will get here? The final answer is minus 2. So this is your final answer for the exercise 11.2. Okay, sorry, exercise first bit, that is fifth problem. This is final answer. Okay, right? Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube classes. So now we are in the exercise 11.2. So that is second problem, choose the right option and justify your choice. So what is given here? 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45 is equals to what? So here multiple choices are given here. Here 4 choices are given. So option A, sin 60 degrees and cos 60 degrees, tan 30 degrees and sin 30 degrees. So after solving this, we get one value, right? So the value is equals to what? Sin 60 or cos 60 or tan 30 or sin 30. So now let us enter into the problem. So solution for this problem is, so now here first 2 tan 30. What is the tan 30 value? Tan 30 value. Tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. Okay, tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. Next, tan 45 value. Tan 45 value. What is the tan 45 value? That is 1. So it should be remembered by you, right? So next, we have to just substitute the values in the given equation. What is the given equation is 2 tan 30. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45. 1 plus tan square 45. So just I am substituting the values. 2 tan 30. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan square 45. Tan square 45 is nothing but 1 whole square. Actually, what is the tan 45 value? Tan 45 value is 1, and here tan square, in the sense 1 square I am writing. So just by solving the equation, 2 into 1 by root 3. 2 into 1 by root 3 we get 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 1 square, that is nothing but 1 plus 1. So by solving this, 2 by root 3 by 2. So nothing is here denominator, we are considering it as 1. So now 2 by root 3 into 1 by 2. Already you know this. So when we are multiplying, the denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. So finally what we will get here, that is 2 into 1, 2 into 1 by root 3 into 2, root 3 into 2, that is equals to 2 by 2 root 3. So by cancelling the 2 here, we get 1 by root 3. So what is the value of what is the value for 1 by root 3? Can anyone guess? What is the sin 60 value? We will write here. Sin 60 value and cos 60 value, tan 30 value and sin 30 value. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So we got 1 by root 3, right? So what is the value here? 1 by root 3 is equals to tan 30. Your option C is correct answer. Okay, am I clear? So we got 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equals to tan 30. So C is your correct answer. So once again I am explaining. See here. So here one equation is given, 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45. So we need to substitute the value of tan 30 and tan square 45. That is nothing but tan 45. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and tan 45 is 1. So after substituting 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 square. Why I am writing a 1 square? In the sense tan square equals 2. Here tan square there. So I am writing 1 square. So 45, tan 45 is 1. So 1 square I am writing. Next, by multiplying 2 into 1 by root 3, we get 2 by root 3. So next 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So 2 by root 3 by 2, there is no numerator denominator here. I am writing considering as 1. So 2 by 1 we get here. So by multiplying two fractions, 2 by root 3 into 1 by 2, then we get 2 into 1 by root 3 into 2. Then that is equals to 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Root 3 into 2 is equal to 2 root 3. Then 2 gonna cancel. Then what is left here? 1 by root 3. So this 1 by root 3 is matching with the tan 30. Yes or no? Here this 1 by root 3 is going to matching with the tan 30. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So option C is correct answer. Okay. Next, moving to the next question. So what is the next question given? It is very simple. See here. What is given? 1 plus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. We know the value of tan square. Tan 45 first. Sorry. Tan 45 value is 1. A tan square 45 in the sense that is equals to 1 square. 1 square is equals to 1. We know this, right? Now just substituting the value here, we get this 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. Are you clear? So 1 I am writing as it is here, tan square 45. So tan square 45 value is 1. So I am substituting here 1 and 1 plus tan square 45. So as it is 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. So by solving this you get 1 minus 1 0, 1 plus 1 2. So something by 0, sorry, 0 by something is equals to 0. So here given four options, tan 90, 1, sin 45, 0. So we know that tan 90 value is not defined. Yes or no? Yes. It is not defined. Next, b is 1 given. Next, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So here 1 by root 2 we got the answer as 0. So it is not equal to 1 by root 2. So finally our fourth option is correct option. Okay, what is the answer? That is 0. So fourth answer is correct. So 1 plus 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45 is equals to 0. I am going to repeat once again. So 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. So here we know the value of tan 45 here. Yes, this is a tan 45 value. So by substituting the tan 45 value in the place of tan 45, then we get 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is equals to 0 and 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Then 0 by something equals to 0. We already know this. So 0 by something equal to 0. Then our final answer is 0. So this is your second solution. The moving to the third solution. So what is the third solution given here? See just, or this is also same like the equation. 2 tan 30 given 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30. 1 minus tan square 30. Before this we have to know the value of tan 30 value. Tan 30. Already we discussed in the last problem, right? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Am I clear? Yes. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So tan square 30 we have to find here. Tan square 30 equals to 1 by root 3 whole square. That is nothing but 1 by root 3 whole square is nothing but 1 square by root 3 whole square. So root 3 whole square is nothing but 1 square is equal to 1. Root 3 whole square is nothing but 3. So if you don't know means this is root 3. Here we can write root 3 as 3 power 1 by 2. So here square is there. 2 gonna cancel. Then what we will be left here? That is 3. So just we are substituting the values here. See 2 tan 30. The tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan square 30. Tan square 30 value is 3. I am directly writing. Why? Because I did here tan square 30. If you want to do here, you can do here once again. That is 1 by root 3 whole square. Then 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So now just I am moving upside. So now we get the answer as, so 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. Yes or no? Yes. So already we got the same value here. So then 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So cross multiply. Okay. Then 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 is 2, right? 2 by 3. Then by solving this, 2 by root 3 by, sorry, we are going to directly write here. So just we are going to directly write. Then 3 by 2. So I am saying same thing, just multiplying the fractions. So then 2 into 3 is nothing but 2 into 3 by root 3 into 2. So what we are get here, 2 into 3 is 6. Then remaining thing, otherwise you can cancel here directly. No need to do this all things. 2 gonna cancel. Then we get the answer 3 by root 3. Yes, 3 by root 3. but we don't have any value in the given options. So 3 by root 3, there is no uh, trigonometric ratios present in the 3 by root 3. So I am doing here rationalizing this one. 3 by root 3 rationalizing with root 3, then we get 3 root 3 by 3. Why? Because root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. Remember this point. Okay, we already have the formula, that is root a into root a equals to a. So now 3 gonna cancel. Then we got the final value is root 3. So final value is root 3. So you got the final value root 3. So here we see what are the values present here. So what is the root 3 is equals to tan 60 is equals to root 3. We already know that, right? So this is equals to tan 60. Tan 60 value is equals to root 3. So correct option for this is C. Option C is the correct answer. That is tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. So I will explain you once again. See this one. First here given 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. So we know the tan 30 value. What is the tan 30 value? 1 by root 3. So next 1 minus tan square 30. So in the sense we are writing 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Why we are writing whole square? Because of tan square is there here. So I am writing as whole square as 1 by root 3 whole square. So 1 by root 3 whole square is nothing but 1 by 3. We are getting this by solving this equation. Solving that one. Next 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 square by root 3 whole square. Then we get 2 by root 3 1 minus 1 by 3. By solving this, then at the end we get 3 by root 3. By rationalizing numerator and denominator by root 3, then we get 3 by root 3 by 3. So 3 gonna cancel. The remaining thing is root 3 by 1. That is nothing but root 3. Okay, the root 3's value is matching with the tan 60. Tan 60 is equals to root 3. So this is your final answer, guys. Okay, now let us move to the next one. What is the next question given? See here. So this is the next question. What is the next question is, this is your next question. See, so evaluate sine 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sine 30 degrees cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sine 60 plus 30? What can you conclude? So what can you conclude here? Evaluate sine 60. First one, we know the value of sine 60. So here for your don't confuse here, I kept here one small table for you. So sine 60 degrees is what? First I am writing the equation. Sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. So these are the degrees. Yeah. So what is the value of sine 60 degrees? Sine 60 degrees equals to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Next, cos 30. Cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees equals to root 3 by 2. Next, sine 30. Sine 30 degrees equals to 1 by 2. We already know. Then cos 60. Cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. We already know this. Yes or no? You can check this table also if you are confusing. So cos 60 is, see here, 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So these are matching. Remember like this, okay? Sin 30 cos 60 value is 1 by 2 and sin 60 cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So remember like this. Right. Now just substituting the values in the above equation. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. I'm going to write root 3 by 2 into, is here nothing is there means this is multiplication, this is product, so I am writing into. So sin 30 is root 3 by 2. So I written sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. So now root 3 into root 3 by 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 into 2. Am I clear? Yeah. Next, moving to the next step. The what is the next step here? Root 3 into root 3, that becomes 3. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. Right. Here denominators are equal. So what we do here, just adding the numerators. 3 plus 1 by 4. So now 3 plus 1 by 4 is nothing but 4 by 4. So 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the value of this equation. Sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. So what he is asking us, he is asking us to find the value of sin 60 plus 30, right? Sin 60 plus 30. So sin 60 plus 30, see here, sin 60 plus 30 degrees. So sin 60 plus 30 is nothing but sin 90. Yes or no? Yes. So sin 90 degrees, we already know the value. What is the sin 90 degrees? That is equals to 1. Yes or no? Yes. That is equals to 1. Sin 90 is 1. So what we can conclude from this here, that is, so just I am minimizing this one. Yeah, it's enough. See now, what we conclude here is asking us what is evaluate, what you conclude, what can you conclude. At last he asking us what can you conclude, right? So by this we can conclude that, yeah, we can conclude that one. Sine, for suppose sine a plus b, sine a plus b equals to sine a cos b plus, sorry, plus what is that one? Sin b cos a. So what is this actually? This is one identity, sin a plus b formula, this one is. So why I am writing this, I will explain you, see here. Just see. So what we get here, sin 60 plus, sorry, it is not plus, right? One minute. Oh, one second. So it is plus only, right? Yeah, it's plus, right? Sorry. So what is asking us, sin 60 plus sin 30 is equals to sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. So we evaluated this equation. So what we got here, by evaluating this, we get both are equal, that is sin 60 plus 30 equals to 1, and this entire thing, yes or no? Yes. This entire thing, by solving this entire thing, we get, by solving this entire thing, sin 60 cos 30, sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60, cos 60. It is also equals to 1. Now, for suppose this 60 degrees, A is equal to 60 degrees, and b equals to 30 degrees. Let us consider this one. Okay, let us consider a equals 60 degrees, b is equal to 30 degrees. Substitute wherever 60 is there, you have to write a, and wherever 30 is there, we have to write b. So just I am writing that one. See, sine 60 in the sense sine a, sine a in the next one, cos 30 in the sense cos b, plus sine 30 means sine b, cos 60 means cos a, right? So this is what we got there, right? So now I am writing this one also. Sine of a plus b. A plus b, y means say 60 is equal to a, 30 is equal to b. Yeah, both are equal. So we got one identity, that is sine a plus b equals to sine a cos b plus sine b cos a. This is understood by this problem. Yes or no? What we can conclude? We can conclude that sine a plus b equals to sine a cos b plus sine b cos a. So this is the problem. This is the solution for this problem. Okay. Now moving to the next problem. So what is the next problem? See here. Now see the next question. That is it right to say that cos 60 plus 30 is equals to cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30? So let us take the values. What is, first we are evaluating this one. So that is cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. Okay. So what is given, actually I am writing cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. Okay, so this is given. So this is our LHS side, this is our RHS side. You are clear with this, right? So now our solution starts from here. Now just see, first taking the LHS side, cos 60 plus 30. What is cos 60 plus 30? That is nothing but cos 90 degrees. Yes or no? Yes. So cos 90 is what? Cos 90 is 0. Since cos 90 equals to 0. So here our LHS is cos 60 plus 30 equals to 0. Yeah. Next one. What is the next thing given? That RHS, right? So going to RHS, that is cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. So what is the cos 60 value here? So just I am writing here. So cos 60 degrees, sorry, we just write down the values directly. Okay, right. So what is the cos 60? We should write first all the values first, then after we will go with this. Then I am writing values. Cos 60. So cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Next cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Next sin 60. Excuse me. Sin 60 equals to root 3 by 2. Next sin 30 equals to 1 by 2. We already know this, right? Sin 30 equals to 1 by 2. So just we are going to substitute the values here. Yeah. So right, we already all written the values, right? So just substitute here. Cos 60 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 into sin 31 by 2. So here just multiply 1 into root 3 by 2 into 2 minus root 3 into 1 by 2 into 2, that is equals to root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 2. Sorry, that is 2 into 2, right? Root 3 by 4. So now what we are get here, root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, that is nothing but a minus a. A minus a equals to 0. So here that is we got the value is 0. This is our RHS, right hand side. So just to minimize this one. So first see what we get here. LHS side is 0 and RHS side is 0. Yes or no? Both are equal. Here LHS equals to RHS. Here LHS left hand side equals to right hand side. Therefore we say that we can say that sine, so sorry, cos 60 plus 30 equals to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. So in the previous problem we did the 60 is equals to a and 30 is equals to b. In the same like the previous problem, we have to write here a equals to 60 degrees and b equals to 30 degrees. Then we get here cos a plus b, a plus b equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So we can conclude from this evaluation. So he's asking us, is it right to say? Yes, it is right to say cos a plus b equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So your answer is this one. So what we did here, very simple. Just we know the values of the cos 60, cos 30, sin 60, sin 30. Then we are going to substitute these values in the equation, two sides that are LHS and RHS. We are considering this side is LHS and this side as RHS. So first you are solved the LHS. So we got 0 answer. Then the value is 0. Then next after we are solving the RHS side, we got the 0. So both are equal. LHS equal to RHS. So we can say that cos a plus b equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So this is your derivation. Okay, clear? Right. So moving to the next problem. What is the next problem here? Your next problem, that is fifth problem, is, so I am taking, okay, right, in right angle triangle PQR, right angle at Q and PQ equal to 6 centimeters and angle RPQ is equal to 60 degrees, determine the length of the QR and PR. QR and PR. Just see, it is very simple. Just I'm going to write the what is given here, given solution, given right angle triangle, right angled triangle, right angle triangle PQR, PQR, right. So I am going to draw the PQR triangle, and what is given here, PQ equals to 6 centimeters and angle RPQ equals to 60 degrees. RPQ equal to 60 degrees. Let us start here. So I am considering this as my right angle triangle. Okay, yeah, it's our right angle triangle. Now he is saying that a right angle at Q, right angle at Q. So this is my right angle at Q, 90 degrees. Next, our triangle is what? PQR, right? PQR, okay? PQR. So here, this is a PQR right angle triangle. Now, what is the angle given? Angle RPQ. RPQ. RPQ is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Okay, right. Now, so we need to do what we need to do? Determine the length of QR and PR. So in the previous problem, we given that two sides and we are finding another side with the help of the Pythagoras theorem. But here only one side is given, that is PQ equal to 6 centimeters. So one side is given. So we are not going to use a Pythagoras theorem. Okay, with the help of the Pythagoras theorem, we cannot find the another two sides. When we use the Pythagoras theorem, we use the Pythagoras theorem only when two sides are given, one side is unknown. Okay, when one side is unknown, then we will find. But here two sides are unknown values, so we don't know the two sides values. So we should not use here Pythagoras theorem. So just we use tan 30 as tan 60. Sorry. So by using tan 60 degrees equals to, okay. So first we should write what is the tan formula. We know that with tan P equals to. So what is the tan formula? Opposite side of angle P by adjacent side. Okay, adjacent side of angle P. Okay, so now right, see here. So opposite side of angle P. What is opposite side to angle P? Opposite side. This is opposite side. That is RQ. RQ by adjacent side of angle P. What is adjacent side? That is QP. QP. Tan 60 degrees. Okay. Tan 60 degrees equals to. Now, yeah. Now see this. So what is RQ? We don't know, right? RQ we don't know, right? Same as it is. And what is QP here? QP is 6 centimeters. I am writing 6. So what is the tan 30 value? Since tan 30 value is equals to, sorry, tan 60. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Yes or no? Yes. So and tan 60 is root 3. So what is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 value is root 3. I am substituting here. Now then we find RQ. RQ equal to, we can write as RQ equals to 6 root 3. RQ equal to 6 root 3. So this is our RQ value. Okay. So just we are going to write RQ as, what is our RQ? RQ is 6 root 3. RQ is 6 root 3. Okay. This is our 6 root 3. Don't confuse here. This is 3. Okay. 6 root 3. Now we have to find RP value. Okay. We have to find RP value. To find RP value, what we have to use? We have to use here. So just a little bit minimize. Yeah, it's fine. So to find RP value, we have to use tan completed, right? Sine. By using sine, 60 degrees. So what is the sine formula actually? Sine theta equals to, so What is sin theta formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite here, what is the angle here? P. So that is opposite side. Opposite side to angle P is what? Opposite side is, that is RQ. What is adjacent side? Sorry, what is hypotenuse here? RP. So we know the RQ value. RQ value is equals to, we recently got the RQ value, right? So RQ value is what? RQ value is 6 root 3. Then what is RP value? We don't know, right? So see now. So just sine 60 degrees. What is sine 60 value? Sine 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. Sine 60 equals to root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. So now just we are going to find now the unknown thing, that is RP. Okay. So sine 60 degrees equals to root 3 by 2. Okay. What is the opposite side here? RQ. RQ value we know, right? 6 by root 3 by, what is RP value here? RP value we don't know. Yes. Sorry. RP value we don't know. Next, sine 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. Substituting the value, root 3 by 2 equals to 6 root 3 by RP. 6 root 3 by RP. Just solve this equation, then we get the answer. RP equals to, just cross multiply this one, then 6 root 3 by root 3. Just interchanging, I am sending RP that side and taking back root 3 this side. Okay, then we gonna cancel here root 3, we gonna cancel here. Yes or no? Yes. Here only 2 is there, right? Don't write here root 2. This is only 2. So this is only 2, RP by 2. So now RP by 2 equals to 6 by 1. So what you do here, RP by 2 equal to 6. Then finally RP equals to, 12. 6 into 2. That is nothing but RP equals to 12 centimeters. Okay. So what he's asking us, to find, unknown, determine the length of QR and PR. He is asking us QR and PR. So we got QR as, what is QR here? QR equal to 6 root 3. Then what is PR here? We recently got PR is equals to 12 centimeters. And what is given that PQ? What is PQ here? PQ is 6 centimeters. So all the three sides we got, right? So this is your answer. So this is your fifth answer. Okay. Next, moving to the next one. What is the next question given? Sorry, can I explain once again? Yes, I will explain it. So what we are doing here, once we have to know, right? So I will explain. So see here what we are doing. Given right angle triangle PQR. So PQ equal to 6 centimeters given and angle RPQ equal to 60 degrees given. So he is asking us to find the remaining two sides, that is QR and PR. So first we use the tan P value. So tan P formula. Tan formula is what? What is tan formula here? Opposite side by adjacent side. So here degree 60 degrees at angle P. So tan 60 is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. The opposite is RQ and hypotenuse is QP. Then we know the tan 60 value. Tan 60 value is root 3. Then RQ value we don't know, right? So then QP is given. QP, that is nothing but 6 centimeters. So I substitute the 6 centimeters here. Then we know that here RQ value. RQ is equal to 6 root Q, 6 root 3. So by using the sine 60 degrees, we are going to find the hypotenuse here. So sine theta is equal to opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Here with respect to P, opposite to the angle P by hypotenuse. So here sine 60 degrees is equal to 6 root 3 by RP. This 6 root 3 is nothing but RQ value. We are recently got that value, right? So then sine 60 degrees is equal to 6 root 3 by RP. That is equals to root 3 by 2 equals to 6 root 3 by RP. So I am substituting the value of sine 60 here. Sine 60 equals to root 3 by 2. Then RP by 2 equals to 6 root 3 by root 3. So just interchanging this value. Here RP I am writing as this side and root 3 is this side. So we are root 3 gonna cancel here. So what is left here? RP by 2 equal to 6 by 1. For your clarification, I clearly explained every step here. Okay. So I have do here directly, right? So RP equals to, I multiply this 2 this side, then 16 to 2. 6 into 2 becomes 12. We got the answer here itself. But for your clarity, I will did this like this. Okay. So then finally we got the all the answers, right? So moving to the next question. What is our next question is, our next question, is it right to say that sine A plus B equal to sine A plus sine B? Justify your answer. So let us justify it. Solution. So what is given? Sine A plus B equals to sine A plus sine B. Okay. Yeah. Now it is whether correct or not, it is right or wrong, how we can justify? Just by substituting the values. We can justify by substituting the values. Okay. Now just we are considering as A equals to 60 degrees and B equals to 30 degrees. Okay. A is equal to 60 degrees, B is equal to 30 degrees. Now A is sine A. So I change the background to back. So now see, sine A, nothing but sine 60. Sine B, nothing but sine 60. Sine 30 degrees. Am I clear? Right. Now, yeah, what we have to do here. So sine 60, sine 60 plus sine 30. So we know that already sine 60 value. What is the sine 60 value? Root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 is 1 by 2. That is equals to root 3 plus 1 by 2. Yeah, this is the sine A plus B. This sine A plus sine B. So I am writing here clearly. Sine A plus sine B equals to root 3 plus 1 by 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2. Next. So what we have to do here, next one, sine A plus B we have to do, right? So now sine A plus B. So what is sine A plus B? Sine 60 plus 30. That is sine 90. So what is the sine 91? Sine 90 formula? Sine 90 equals to 1. So is this both are equal? For suppose this is our LHS side This is our RHS side. So is they are equal? No, right? So we can conclude that, what we can conclude here? We can conclude that here LHS, so I am moving a little bit upside. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. So sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. Both are not equal. So this is our final solution. So once again I will explain. See here what I did here. So he's asking us to sin A plus B equal to sin A or sin B, sin A plus sin B or not. He's asking us to justify your answer. So but we what is given here, sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. So just I am taking any value. You can take A as 30 or 40 or 50, your wish. Okay, anything. But I took here A equal to 60 degrees, B equal to 30 degrees. So I am substituting these values here, sin 60 plus sin 30. As we know that sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2, sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2. Then after here root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Then root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but root 3 plus 1 by 2. So here denominators are equal, right? We can directly add root 3 plus 1 by 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2. So then sin A plus sin B value is root 3 plus 1 by 2. We got this is the RHS side. Then moving to the LHS side, sin A plus B. Sin A plus B is nothing but A value is 60, B value is 30. That is nothing but sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. So here clearly mentioned sin 90 is 1. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. So then we can say that, what we can say that sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. So this is your seventh problem and end of the year exercise 11.2. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.